We've recently been getting a lot of calls into the firm where folks are asking us, what do I do if the insurance carrier says that the damages pre-existed the claim? Now, this is happening a lot because we recently had the derecho event, and then 2 months later, approximately, we had Hurricane Beryl. So some people were in the process of repairing the derecho damages when Hurricane Beryl came through. Some people didn't even make any repairs in the derecho. Maybe their house wasn't damaged, and then their house was damaged in Beryl, but the insurance company is saying that their house was damaged in the derecho instead of Beryl, and therefore they're not going to cover the claim. Insurance carriers are saying, well, your house was damaged in derecho, and we didn't get notice of that, and now that we have a hurricane, we have Hurricane Beryl, we don't know which is which, so we're not going to pay for anything. They're even saying that when they were the carrier that was covering both events. I go in and I say, well, you were covering both events, so you cover both of them, so why are you still saying that one is covered and one isn't? And we're working on that, but we're seeing this a lot. It's very important that if you see a hint of this type of argument from the carrier, to think about talking to an attorney sooner rather than later. The complexities and the nuances in these situations are difficult. It often requires you hiring an expert or a person to come in and evaluate the damages, oftentimes apportioning damages to one event or the other, or all to one event. Carriers have been arguing recently that if the policyholders do not specifically ascertain which event and prove which event caused the damages, that they don't have to cover. This is a fight we've been seeing in the courts, and there's going to be a lot of them coming up in the coming months due to us having two major storm events so close in time. So long story short, in circumstances where a carrier says, I'm not going to pay your damages because it was caused in the derecho, or I'm not going to pay your Beryl damages because it was caused in the derecho, or not going to pay your derecho damages because it was caused in Beryl. Very important to talk to an attorney early so that we can help you navigate that. And that's what we're here to do, and please give us a call.